How was Blaze distracting you on January 8th, 2015?
Well, I was sitting at his table and he was banging his hands on the table and yelling stuff, and it was very distracting when I was working.
Did you ask Blaze to stop more than once?
Yes.
Say no more questions.
Okay, no more questions.
That's it.
Jill, when you sit down. Let's go through the patio. Let's go, miss.
You don't have to stand on the stage. Just pull the podium to you a little bit closer if you need to.
Are you telling the truth?
Yes.
That's an objectionable offense because she's already been.
Object.
Okay.
Because she told them to just tell the truth and nothing but the truth.
Good. So she's already claimed that she's going to tell the truth, right?
Was anybody looking at Blaze? Watching?
Not that I know of, but I know that Jalen was watching with me and telling him to stop.
No more questions. Carry on.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, Stu.
You're the only one watching it. Then how do you know that it was distracting? Distracting everyone in the class.
I don't know that he was distracting everyone in that class, but I know that he was distracting at least two
Bailey.
people.
You should be paying attention here, please.
Was he distracting everybody out of the table?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, well, I don't know. They're going to call you. Yeah, just sit down now. Okay, Jalen, do you have any other witnesses for this case?
I do, but I don't want to ask the same questions.
Just the more people that say the same thing, the more that the people would go
So
for
you
one
want me
person.
to ask the same questions?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Can I have
Oh my gosh, I gotta raise this up.
Do you swear to tell the truth, only the truth, and nothing but the truth, so help me God?
How was Blaze distracting you on January 8th, 2013?
He was yelling, and all I heard was him saying a bunch of stuff off of a commercial and goofy stuff like we were trying to learn. That's all.
Okay. Did you ask Blaze to stop more than once?
I didn't. I did not, but other people did multiple times.
Me. That's all the questions.
I want to ask questions. I'm sorry. Sheldon, why was he banging his hands on the table like Jalen said? I mean, Chloe said.
What?
I'm not getting you to say a question. Okay, please say your question. If Chloe said he was banging his hands on the table, but you didn't, is that true?
I may not have saw it, but she did.
So he wasn't distracting you, right?
Yes, he was.
Okay.
Stop messing with the switch.
Okay, this is ridiculous.
Okay. You did not have no more questions.
Okay, what was what on the commercial, what was he saying at the moment?
Like, I found Fido, y'all.
Okay. And further ones. No further questions. Right. You got some? No, I don't.
Okay, can we go to the next one?
No, hold on.
But you gotta do the police officer.
For this case, for this particular case, because your other district attorney said that you didn't have any witnesses, there was just one witness for this case. On January 8th,
You don't have any other witnesses. We're the one who gave him the ticket.
Why can't the police officers be witness? Because.
you can be, that's why you're,
We can be witness.
but not in this, not on this case,
Why?
because you weren't police officers then. This was the very first case that we did.
They can't be on this one.
It was the other case.
Well, I guess there will be. Okay.
Okay, so now, now at this point, listen, at this point, the prosecution would, what you say, you're resting. When you say we rest, prosecution rest means we're done presenting evidence, right? Okay, so you have a seat. Okay, so now the defense lawyers has a chance to call their own witnesses in this case. And just in this case, do you have witnesses that will testify that he was not distracting the class?
Yeah, we have one.
Okay, is that in this case right now on January 8th?
Yes.
Because on January 8th, Matthew wasn't sitting there.
What?
On January 8th, Matthew wasn't sitting with them.
Oh. Yeah, they don't have a ticket for just going to
No, Matthew does not.
Jalen.
She's a witness.
Erica,
I know.
Hey, let us deal with it, okay? We'll take care of it. Alright? So,
I can look it up.
okay, good. So now at this time, so now we go into what's called closing arguments. Okay, so now you get to talk directly to the jury and explain to the jury why, how you know that you've convinced, how you have convinced them that Blaze is guilty of distracting the class on that date. Okay, so you're pretty much open to talk about anything. Okay, only one of you gets to address the jury, not both of you. And so, defense lawyers, once again, you will get an opportunity to address the court. And basically, what you're saying is how they didn't prove their case. All right. All right. This has to be Jay Lynn on the closing comments because you're just a witness on this one.
But I was both because I was both.
But you chose to be a witness on this one, so Jay Lynn's going to have to do the closing comments.
Can we have a
You're
meeting
talking to the
real
jury.
fast? Can we have a short meeting?
We give you a 3-minute recess.
Like, we don't need that long.
Okay. So Isaiah, Stewart, you know what you're going to say?